Hello everybody. Today I decided to shoot video outside. It wasn't a good idea because of the lighting and noise. Still I managed to create something interesting. So do watch this fun project as you might get something new to learn. First I started with air dry clay which I had. Since I didn't use it from long, it got hardened. I tried to mold it but it was of no use. So I switched to Fevicryl molded clay. Here I mix both resin and hardener part. With hand only, I flatten the clay dough. I use steel ball as cutter to cut circular shape. And like this, I got circular base for my coaster. Using clay modeling tool, I smoothen the uneven edges. Made surface uneven so I can stick shapes easily. After drying, I drew my idea roughly using pencil. This is just for reference while sticking clay. I mixed some clay and made thin clay ropes this time. Applied glue and started sticking clay. I stick clay ropes close to each other in patterns, some to depict waves, wind, air, etc. After drying, it looks like this. I painted it with white paint first, so that colors looks bright. I painted sun with orange color. This coaster idea is inspired from painting palette Pinterest artist. I created flora and fauna decorative coaster. After painting, I sprayed it with clear coat varnish to make it look glossy. Like this, my decorative clay coaster is ready. It has sun, sea, fish, seaweed, waves, etc. You too can try something similar and add a touch of nature to your house. Do let me know if you have any suggestions or ideas. See you in the next video. Till then, be creative and keep creating. Peace.